Are you tired of flat and uninspiring walls that do nothing for your room aesthetic? Check this out. These are floated MDF panels. Their 3D surface makes them a standout from other panels. They also add an interesting look to walls and ceilings with their light and shadow play. Also, they're super easy to install, making any space transformation quick and hassle-free. These panels are made from medium-density fireboards that have been cut with parallel grooves of floats using a computer-controlled machine. These floated panels are available in base materials like charcoal for modern spaces, PVC for wet areas, solid wood for warm, and concrete for an industrial look. In this video, we're focusing on MDF, a versatile choice among our floated panel materials. These are available in different thicknesses and float depths, offering easy customization. They're also easy to paint, cut, and shape, allowing flexible design and application. Curious to know about where they can be used? These floated wall panels are great for living room walls, bedroom headboards, and kids' rooms to bring a creative touch. They're even perfect for furniture accents like cabinet doors and drawers. Now let's talk about the benefits. MDF is not only lightweight and simple to install, but also more cost-effective than solid wood. And if you're in the market for these MDF floated panels or any other interior design materials in the future, don't forget to check out Material Depot.